Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto, and I am here setting up for the week of August 6th. So I'm actually really excited about this week because I'm changing things up pretty drastically from what I've done in the past. I usually do weeklies and dailies to keep my brain in check. But this week I am going to limit it to just dailies. So this is going to throw me off a lot, I'm sure, but I'm traveling this week, so I want to get away from the structure a little bit and just really act as if every day is a brain dump. So let's go ahead and get started working on this. Everyone, so that's it. So this is way different than I'm used to. I added some washi tape. The top is a marble with silver dots. That one is from SPC, which you can find on their website. And then the bottom is the 3mm, 5mm. I'm not good with sizes. It's a little mini Simply Gilded that came in this past set. And then the SPC one I got in this giant marble collection that they did. I almost went with the hearts, but I thought hearts and bows would be a little bit too much. So I went with the dotted confetti one. And so it brings a lot of shimmeriness to it. So that's a lot of fun. I think I'm going to go in and add some shimmer to my beach balls a little bit to kind of tie it all together, just to add a little bit of interest, especially to these ones where I maybe didn't color in so great. All right, so I think that is fun to add that little bit of color into the beach balls as well. I might add it into that big one up there too. I'm not sure yet. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up this page as much as I can. If I have space down here at the bottom, like if I don't add any more tasks, I might do my Wednesday there as well, so I don't waste a whole bunch of space. But Tuesday will be up here. Wednesday will probably be down here, I can imagine. Thursday is my travel day, so I won't have a lot of tasks for that day. So I can imagine like I can fit it in here a little bit just to like maybe put my flight information and stuff like that. So I'm not really worried about that. I added in a bunch of tasks. I don't expect to get all of these done on Monday, but I would like to have them all there so I don't have to keep flipping back to my previous week, and that way I can just migrate things from day to day if I do not finish those things on those days. So that's my general plan. This little guy was so cute. I found this on a website, and I'll try to link it in the description below, but this was basically just free drawings that you can do for like education. Like it was an educational coloring book type of situation, and I thought he was really cute, so I really wanted to utilize him. So I just had my computer screen up. I put this little mini Rhodia dot grid paper on top of it, and I outlined in pencil, and then I used my Tombow Mono 05 to make a dark enough line for the outline, and then just colored them in. So if you don't feel like you are a good artist, or you're kind of nervous about adding art to your notebook because maybe you haven't practiced a lot, this is a really cool way of doing it. Make sure you let people know that those weren't your own creations, like I am doing here. And so if you are ever nervous about putting art in your bullet journal, this is a good option to trace on some dot paper. That way you can get an idea of the sizing as well, because these dots are the same sizes. Or you can take a page from like one of the back pages of your notebook, or like I usually do when I do my Dutch doors, I save those papers on the edge, and that way I can utilize those for some drawings and stuff like that. So pretty simple this week, but because it's just me wanting to throw my brain at some pages to get everything down before I travel this week, I think this is a great option. So if you like this type of weekly, let me know. Like, subscribe, notification bell, all that kind of jazz. Let me know in the comments below if you think this would work for you, or if you think it's silly. I'll let you guys know next week how it worked for me. And thank you to Cindy Gunterbaldo, who I got this idea from, because she does dailies a lot. She also does a weekly, but because I didn't have a lot of meetings on the books this week, I just threw everything at the wall. So thank you to her, and I will link her channel in the description, and I will see you on Friday. Thank you, everyone.